Do you want to change the volume of a track in the middle of a song using BandLab? I'm going to show you how to do it right now using automation. So here we have our project. You can hear we've got our drum beat and our cool little sample here. And if we want to change the volume in the middle of the track, we can open the automation menu by hitting the A key. You can see we have this line here, and this will represent how what we have selected will change. So on the left, we can select the pan or the volume or any other effect that we have added to the track. We'll use volume. So this line represents volume, and when I click on the line, I create a node. When I drag that node down, it changes the volume. If I click a few different nodes, it'll drag the volume down only until the level of the next node. So here we have a little fade in, and then maybe I can drag this one down a little more sharply, create another one, and drag it back up for dramatic effect so we can see exactly what's happening. Then we hit play. It's very quiet. And that's how you change volume in the middle of a track using automation in BandLab. Thank you for watching, keep creating, and we'll see you in the next video.